The hidden cost of cheap goods. Why buying poor means spending more. We expose the insidious cycle of purchasing poor quality goods, revealing how initial savings inevitably lead to greater long-term expenditure. We'll dissect the hidden costs, from frequent replacements and repair woes to environmental impact, demonstrating why seemingly cheap purchases ultimately drain resources and perpetuate a cycle of dissatisfaction. Are you stuck in a frustrating cycle of constantly replacing broken items and throwing away your hard-earned cash? We all want to save money, but the cheap goods trap is costing you more than you realize. Today, we're exposing the hidden expenses of the bargain lifestyle and showing you how to break free from this unsustainable cycle, saving both your wallet and the planet. The deceptive lure of bargains. We've all felt that dopamine hit when we find a steal, but that low price tag is often a mask for immediate quality red flags. The psychology is simple. Our brains are wired to prioritize immediate rewards over long-term consequences. Retailers know this. They use fast fashion or disposable tech to give you a quick win. But when you choose a $10 t-shirt that shrinks after one wash over a $40 timeless piece that lasts 5 years, you aren't saving money. You're just prepaying for your next replacement. The accelerated breakdown cycle. This is where the math stops adding up. Between planned obsolescence, products designed to fail, and shoddy materials like particle board and thin plastics, cheap goods are built to break. Think about it. Flimsy electronics. A $15 pair of headphones lasts 3 months. In 2 years, you've spent $120. A $100 pair of quality headphones would still be going strong. Disposable furniture. That budget desk that wobbles the moment you lean on it will end up in a landfill within a year. The multiplier effect. When you multiply the bargain price by how many times you have to repurchase it, the cheap item becomes the most expensive thing you own. Beyond the price tag, the hidden hassles. It's not just about the money, it's about your sanity. Cheap goods are almost always impossible to repair. They aren't held together by screws, they're glued shut. When a cheap appliance fails, you can't fix it. You have to spend hours researching a replacement, driving to the store, and setting it up all over again. That's lost time, lost productivity, and a constant mental drain. Living with stuff that barely works creates a baseline of dissatisfaction in your daily life. The environmental and ethical footprint. There's a darker side to the bargain bin. Cheap goods fuel a massive waste crisis. Every time we toss a single-season dress or a broken plastic toy, it ends up in a landfill where it stays for centuries. But there's also the human cost. Low prices are usually subsidized by cheap labor and unsustainable manufacturing practices. When we buy into the cycle of disposable everything, we are inadvertently voting for a fairer economy to be ignored in favor of higher margins for corporations. The solution: investing in value. So how do we break the cycle? It starts with a shift in mindset. Cost per use. A $200 pair of boots you wear 500 times costs 40 cents per wear. A $40 pair of boots that falls apart after 20 wears costs $2 per wear. The expensive option is actually 5 times cheaper. Strategies for quality. Research materials. Look for solid wood, top-grain leather, and reinforced stitching. Wait 24 hours. Before buying a bargain, wait a day. If the urge fades, you didn't need it. Buy once, cry once. It's better to save up for the right item than to settle for the right now item. Breaking free from the cheap trap is the fastest way to achieve financial freedom and peace of mind. If you're ready to stop wasting money and start building a life of quality over quantity, hit that subscribe button right now. Why subscribe? Because every week we deconstruct the hidden traps of modern consumerism and give you the tools to live a smarter, more intentional life. Don't let your wallet be drained by good deals. Join our community and learn how to invest in what actually matters. Click the bell icon so you never miss a breakdown. I'll see you in the next video.